Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both device and body. Make sure your phone has over 50% battery and Do Not Disturb is on so alerts won't interrupt. Once done, put on running shoes and mark a 20-meter shuttle with cones or tape. Now open the Yoyo Test app, sign in, and choose the updated protocol or starting level. This sets pace audio and captures results automatically. This immediate start avoids lost data and aligns the app's timing with your physical setup, so measurements are accurate. You run to the audio beeps and trust the app's cadence. Each beep dictates the pace, so keep consistent effort and touch the line each shuttle. As you progress, monitor live metrics, level, shuttle count, and heart rate if you've paired a sensor, because they tell you when to push or hold. Once you hit recovery intervals or increase speeds, the app auto-increments levels to standardize the test. Make sure to breathe rhythmically and conserve energy, so your peak result reflects fitness, not pacing errors. You finish by stopping when you miss the pace twice in a row. Press stop so the app logs your peak level and shuttle count. After recording, review the summary screen for peak level, estimated VO2 and heart rate zones to understand performance and training targets. If the app crashes, mismatches beats, or fails to record HR, make sure permissions are enabled, close background apps, and retry the test. If problems persist, restart the phone. This quick troubleshooting preserves data and ensures consistent future comparisons.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.